Hello YouTubers. Now today we're going to talk about this section. Let's have to move my chair. That's it. We talk about section 3 chapter 6 and page 6, the properties of the reality, or what we call reality universe, the yang universe, this universe. Now, as was said, we live in two parallel universes, the yin universe and the yang universe. We live parallel. And that the combination of the two universes, yin and yang, creates energy, creates life, creates what we know, what the Daoist 3,000 years ago, or maybe longer, called it the 10,000 things or 10,000 beings, which means everything in the universe, the physical universe. So the physical universe that we know it, this universe, about 13.75 billion years ago, was created from this universe. So we talk about the Big Bang in the next couple of pages. So from this, which is energy, is also known as a dark matter or dark energy, and that's what has baffled the scientists. What is this dark energy or dark matter? So 13.5 billion years ago, from this universe, from this dark matter or dark energy, through what are called the white vortex, not the hole, but a vortex, all this energy came through and created the known universe, the yang universe. So from the yin came the yang, and that's what has baffled the scientists, the medics, everything, because we are from this yin and yang, this loop of infinity. So the yang universe came from the black vortex, through the black vortex into the yang universe. Everything from what the Tao Te Ching calls it, the 10,000 things, came from the yin energy. Now, in the yang universe, it all follows when we look at it, we just see the universe that we know, which is the physical universe. The laws of physics, the laws of mathematics, the laws of medicine, the laws of engineer, the laws of everything applies to the yang universe, but it's only half the story. Scientists love this because they can measure it, they can look at it, they can understand it, they can put it under the microscope, they can look at it with a telescope, and they love this because they can see it, but they're really confused about this. And that's what the Daoist said 3,000, 6,000 years ago. You got to be at peace with both. And if you're not at peace, you're not at peace with anything, because the scientists want evidence. So forget about the evidence for the time being, maybe in a million years. But at this moment, just relax, have a nice cup of tea. Don't waste your energy and your money on all these gadgets and gizmos and toys, expensive, because it's made of plastic and metal. So when the time is right, the universe would allow you to look at it and to understand it. At this stage, you just gotta relax and chill, and don't waste too much money on it, and don't waste too much energy, because a lot of scientists trying to look at this yin and yang, they've just gone nuts. A lot of the marriages broken up. They have a lot of mental breakdowns, suicidal thoughts, because they're just thinking about this yin. They're trying to work this yin out from this yang, and you gotta be at peace with it. You gotta acceptance and surrender. That's the operative word: acceptance and surrender. And when the time is right, the universe would allow you to observe it and discover it. But if you're trying to force it, it won't. So remember that.